It was a cold April morning. I was working at my bench at my shop, Raphael's on Atlantic Street. I look out the window and I see this big plume of smoke. I knew immediately what had happened. It was coming from the Yale Towne building. I knew immediately it was coming from the piano factory because I used to roam around over there at lunchtime sometimes to take a look, and I've seen people spraying pianos in a small room with fluorescent light fixtures open and a window fan. And I said, "Hey guys, that's pretty dangerous. You shouldn't do that." And they ignored me. And it wasn't more than 2 weeks more that this fire happened. I remember that fire gave off a lot of heat, and the fumes, the dark smoke went way up into the sky. It was a really fierce fire. When the piano factory caught on fire, that the fumes and all that other stuff, and that old building, the old wood, it just started going and going. And in fact, the fire burned right into the additional building, 17,500 square feet, filled with antiques. It was an antique dealership, and it was all lost. It all burnt right down to the ground. I told those guys, look, this is pretty dangerous. You're spraying in this little room all these fumes and fluorescent light bulbs, and you only got a window fan. That's pretty dangerous. And they all looked at me and they say, yeah. Look what happened.